Replacing the power supply unit. For your safety, switch off the terminal and unplug at the mains. Open the side panel by pressing the slide button. Remove the side panel from the terminal. Lift the cover protecting the CPU. Disconnect the Ethernet cable from the gigabit Ethernet port located at the back of the CPU. Disconnect the USB printer cable. Unscrew the cable from the customer display unit. Disconnect the power cable from the power supply unit. Unplug the power cable from the CPU. Remove the power cable from the metal clip. Unscrew the quarter-turn screw located on the upper section of the power supply. Remove the power supply unit. To replace, repeat the same steps in reverse order. Close the side panel and secure the side of the terminal unit.